Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your draft video. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok and go into your profile and take a screenshot of your profile. Once you've done that, you simply need to click on three bars in the top right corner and then you need to click on settings and privacy, and here you need to scroll and here you need to click on report a problem. And once you click on that, the next page will appear. Here you need to click on video and sounds. Once you are on that page, you will see different options. You simply need to click on drafts and click on missing drafts, and once you are here, you simply need to click on no and click on need more help. And here you need to mention to the TikTok team about that you have missing drafts, and here you can attach screenshot of your profile that you taken and click on submit. Once you've done that, the TikTok team will contact with you within 48 hours and help you recover your TikTok drafts. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.